Gale ke chako nongo yat ke ng'eyo ni ng'at moni tie ki tuo aye weko peko mi tuo kansa tie ka mete matek tutwal I lobo Uganda. Ikin peko mokene bene tie loka chan peke pa jami makitiyo kede otyat kidong peke pa kero pa oyat mikin gang mingiyo ko tuo man. Ika choke mo kiro daktari mapat yup make palliative care assistance motime munyonyo Dr. Oyo Okia, Director mi non-communicable diseases muchung kaka Ruth Jen Acheng owache chalo gamente gitika timo jimo pat ikina keto otyat madom mi kansa ikabir mapat ilaboman.
The Ugandan government, with the support of Parliament, has undertaken several initiatives to enhance cancer care in the country, and these include enacting the Uganda Cancer Institute Act of 2016, which granted autonomy to Uganda Cancer Institute, empowering it to manage and coordinate cancer-related matters, including procuring specialized medical supplies and equipment, prioritizing access to cancer services in the National Development Plan 3, and establishing regional cancer centers in Arua.
Adibed nikitika yele matek minene kikero otyat mi konyo tuo kansa. Tuo fotila mal way percent pier borkolo kon ke wachi joma chang ti manoke kon giti percent pier rio keken.
It is imperative that we invest heavily in 1. Early diagnosis programs for common cancers such as cervical cancer, breast cancer, prostate cancer, colorectal cancer, and oral cancers, among others.
I was newly doing the full red path for about a year. 80% of them have died. That means only 20% will be living in the subsequent year. And that means the survival rate is actually very low, or mortality is very high. So your question is, what's the reason? There are a number of factors. There are factors that we can say are related to the disease presentation. And then there are also factors that we can say are socially driven.
Dr. Fatia Kiyange umoko kon wachi pero michan pere pa daktari otyat tika weko tuo man nya piem Dano pikra mano kare makere michere otyat chon.
There are many people in the villages, in the rural areas that are unwell and they cannot even afford transport to actually seek for health care. And of course, the lower level facilities do not have the capacity to make diagnosis for cancer. So by the time they get to a center that can make a diagnosis, it's most times late. Also the gender dynamics. We see that especially women, they rely on others, they rely on their husbands to provide transportation and facilitation for them to seek healthcare sometimes.
La nyotie ni percent pierangwen pa nyweli mi Uganda bini otyat no dong kansa gi uteki tutwal kun percent pierangwen wiangwen pa joma binu pegi ramo chang iyo matieti mano weko doma toki kansa tiwi ali babichel mwaka ki mwaka pilokange mocho nyewanduo TV Pat Robert